Oh, oh, müssen wir das auch noch schauen? Wir lassen das einfach laufen.
Einfach so nebenbei.
Aber er hat mein Leben verändert und das im Positiven.
Yo, 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 yo.
Here is Africa's desert.
Africa's
100
desert.
days ago, it was a graveyard. But with time, it transformed into one of the most resilient yet ruthless ecosystems on our planet. But where there is life, there is always death. Can life find balance in 100 days, or is it all doomed to die? Well, we'll have to go back.
Ich habe das geglaubt, das schon mal
Today,
gesehen.
one. With the empty tank, some supplies, and a
Sagt
whole
mir
lot of
irgendetwas, das Video?
cacti. And after building up a deep layer of substrate, I placed in some rock and finally began to plant. But the trees here are covered in razor-sharp spines and a poisonous sap. Those are not coming out. One infection later, and the tank was complete.
Schau, wie geil, Mann. Nur
This is
schön.
going to be the foundation for a thriving ecosystem, starting with Darkling beetles, who have the most extraordinary superpower. During the day, they would seek shelter to hide from the desert heat.
Was hat er mit dem Hamster gemacht? Sieht aus wie der gleiche. Das stimmt. Jetzt müssen wir wissen, ob das Video vorher oder nachher rausgekommen ist.
Not all of them would make it. Those that found safety underground waited until nightfall to re-emerge.
Ist es voll so auf echt, Mann, weißt du? So wie
They
heiß.
began to group up for a monumental moment.
Nein,
Even the
die schaut
beetle I
einfach
thought was
verreckt.
dead joined the gathering.
Oh nein. Kommt back from
It
the
was as
dead.
if they were frozen in time.
What?
They were about to reveal their superpower. They hold their ground and angle their backs high into the air. Suddenly, tiny water droplets begin to form. They're turning the wind into water, and as it drips down their back, they finally get to drink.
No way, Mann. Wie
It
geil
looks
ist
like
das
they have
denn?
escaped death, for now.
Dudes. Jetzt
By
kommt der
day
Predator,
4,
Mann.
the beetles were not the only life in the tank. Underground, an empire is born. This queen harvester ant is raising her first batch of young. Her larvae needed food, and I had to introduce some. Here are 50 dermestid beetles, and they are at the bottom of the food chain. They eat decaying matter and even bone marrow, so this coyote skull should feed them for many days to come. By day 35, the beetle population began to boom. These are not tiny worms, but beetle larvae. I placed in a dead fish to draw them out of the ground, and they immediately began to swarm.
Es ist so gut, darf ich das Video mal wieder?
Pretty soon, there was nothing left but a pile of bones. Their population was getting out of hand, and I needed to introduce a predator. Meet the
So
dune
good.
gecko and his entire family. But immediately, this one came head to head with a darkling beetle.
Oh.
He had never seen one before. Out of fear, he begins to wave his tail to alert the others. After only a few seconds, he musters up enough courage to carry on. Meanwhile, his brother was working on something monumental. He began to dig out the coyote skull, and over the next 5 days, he transformed the skeleton into a sanctuary. And if we look
So
underground, they have made it their home.
Ja, geil. Es passiert einfach so.
This one was even shedding his skin. He could only do this here, in the safety of the burrow. In parallel, on the other end of the tank, the Queen's first workers had emerged. They needed food, so they made their way to the surface where the hunt would begin. This beetle is the perfect meal, and they must work as a team. They are rushing to get it back to the
Der
nest,
ist einfach
and
so im
with good
Kopf.
reason. The sky was beginning to darken, and the temperature had dropped. I was about to simulate a sandstorm.
So ein Sandsturm simulieren.
The storm had coated the tank in a thin red sand, but in the ravine, it uncovered something remarkable.
Jetzt bringt er das dann
Dormant
nochmal noch
fish
Wasser
eggs.
rein.
All they needed was a little water. By day 45, the beetles were still overpopulating. I needed to introduce a new predator.
Oh, oh. Mantis? Nein. Oh nein.
He is the most dangerous animal so far, and everything began to hide. But this gecko is far too late. He is being hunted.
Oh, der ist ja hure gross im Vergleich. Ja.
His only chance of survival is to make a run back to his burrow. But who would make the first move?
Uh-oh.
Safe and sound.
Safe.
In the coming days, everything was about to change forever, and you would not believe what will happen. I'm using Opera, my favorite internet
Oh,
browser,
selbst das
along
ist
with my
verdammt gut
mom,
gemacht,
dad,
jetzt
brother,
gerade
and
nicht.
even Lizard. Hey, you shouldn't be watching that. Day 60, the dry season was at its peak. Many of the leaves had turned yellow, and even the cacti were beginning to fade. There was only one animal unaffected by the drought. The ant colony, and they had tripled in size. By storing seeds underground, they can wait out the dry season, and they would need to stay there for what is about to happen next. As clouds rolled over the tank, I was about to simulate a monsoon.
Oh oh. Eure Bude ist nicht mehr
The
safe.
tank began to flood. And as the water level rose, life had to seek higher ground. As the storm faded away, animals came running to the river for a drink. They had to be cautious, and for good reason.
Oh, schau, der ist der
They were
Wichser wieder.
not alone. Turns out he was not looking for a meal, but a drink. He was completely unaware of what was
What a
happening
monster.
underwater. The dormant fish eggs were waking up and finally beginning to hatch. The fish are no bigger than a grain of sand and swim alongside hundreds of baby shrimp. By day 69,
Damn.
the rain had triggered breeding season. And underground, the geckos laid their first clutch of eggs.
Jo.
But there is one animal still looking for a mate, and for him,
mal das
we
an.
must wait until nightfall. That chirping sound is him calling for a mate. But no one answered, and he was all alone.
Sad.
Until now, they cautiously approach one another. If she likes him, they will breed. If she doesn't, she will eat him. Or maybe both. Their fate now lies in the dark. He didn't make it through the night.
Sie hat nur
But his
lieber will
sacrifice
essen.
was not in vain. The female
Ja,
found a soft
diese
patch of
Huren.
ground where she began to lay. It looks like he'd passed on his genes to a new generation. Now his
Yo.
body would not be wasted as
Okay,
the
er
ants
hat doch
began
noch
to
sexy
swarm.
Time erlebt.
And underground, they were forming an empire.
Schau mal, da Meister gehen voll steil, Mann.
Their population was completely unchecked, and I needed to introduce an ant predator. Meet the antlion, and here are 4 more. They may be small in
was sind das für
size,
grusige
but
Wichser?
they have big plans. Each one begins by digging out a pit in the ground.
Oh.
They are constructing a field of traps.
Damn, son.
One wrong move and the ant is doomed.
Ich komme nachher nicht mehr raus. Aber gut, es geht
He
dann halt
tries
schnell.
to escape, but the antlion launches sand back.
Der rührt dem Sand an, Mann.
He is finally
Oh, er
safe,
ist rausgekommen.
or not.
Oder nicht?
There is no way out now.
Yo.
This beetle climbs over as if nothing ever happened. Meanwhile, the river was teeming with life. Dozens of fairy shrimp were reaching adulthood. This one became a meal
Dude,
for the
cool.
killing fish. He will soon be ready to breed. On
It's a
day
fish.
90, a mother's life had come to an end. Her eggs were safe underground, and her life cycle was complete.
Ja,
But
nur
now there was
strange Eier,
no
Mann.
animal to control the beetles. I needed to introduce one final predator.
Immer noch mehr Predators.
Meet the camel spider. He
Yo.
is the mouth of a crab,
Da ist deine
the body
Spinne,
of a
Mann.
spider, and the charm of my mother-in-law. Time
Ja,
to
das ist
add
ein
him in.
rechter Saufhund, oder?
And he immediately went on the hunt. By day 99, life was in perfect harmony. Yet the animals were outgrowing their desert home. I decided to move them all out and end the simulation once and for all.
Why does the sun go on shining? Why does the sea rush to shore?
Okay.
Don't they know it's the end of the world?
This may be the end of this story, but it marks the beginning to so many
Wieso
more.
hat er jetzt das nicht so machen? Da! Das ist vor 4 Monaten. Der Hamster. Hey, da hat es noch mehr, Mann. Ich glaube, ich muss den abonnieren. Ja, abonniert.